Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to change a screen lock to a pattern on Realme C67 device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing, you have to go to the settings menu. Okay, after that here please scroll down. And then you can select security and privacy option. And then press on set a screen lock. And then here you can select pattern. Okay, and then please set a pattern. And then click next. After that, confirm it as before. And then here you can set the notification setting to one of the three options below. That's the tutorial on how to change screen lock to a pattern on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.